In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Deepseek AI login not working. Let's get started. First, double check your login details. Make sure your email is correct and your password is typed properly since it's case sensitive. If you're not sure, just tap Forgot Password and reset it. Next, use the correct login method. If you signed up with Google or Apple, make sure you tap those options instead of entering a password manually. Also, make sure you accept the terms and conditions and tap the login button properly. If you're not receiving reset emails, check your spam or junk folder and try resending the code. You can also fix this by clearing your browser cache or reinstalling the app if you're on mobile. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, turn it off temporarily because it can interfere with login. And if nothing works, your account might be temporarily locked or the server's busy. So wait a few minutes and try again. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.